Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the interhalogens, chemistry second year English medium, part 7. Today discuss about the interhalogens. Interhalogen, what is the meaning of the interhalogens? When two different halogen react each other, then form of the interhalogens, or the binary compound of the halogens themselves to form of interhalogens, or when two different halogens react each other, then form of interhalogens, or the binary compound react or combining each other, then form of the interhalogens. For example, here is the X is the also known as a halogen elements, and X dash also known as a halogen elements. Here is the 2 is the binary compound combining each other, then form of interhalogens. Then form of interhalogen, that is also known as a X dash. Here is the X is the halogen combining or react with the another halogen atom to form of a interhalogen compound. When two different halogens react or combining each other, then form of interhalogens, or the binary compound of the halogens react each other, then form of the interhalogens compound. The interhalogen compounds are formed. Next, they can be assigned general compositions like that: X dash 1, X dash 3, X dash 5, X dash 7. Here is the binary. Two binary compounds react each other, then form of the interhalogen compounds are formed. Interhalogen compounds are formed. They can be assigned general compositions. General composition like that: X dash 1, X dash 3, X dash 5, X dash 7. Where here is the X is the halogen atom that exists in the large atomic size. That is also known as a first X. First X also known as a halogen atom of large atomic size existed. Next one X dash, where here is the X dash also known as a halogen atom that exists the small atomic size. X dash also known as a small atomic size of halogen atom. X also known as a large atomic size of the halogen atom. Next one, the interhalogens can be prepared, that is also known as in laboratory method or different methods. Here is the preparation of the interhalogens. Preparation of interhalogen. The interhalogen can be prepared by the direct combination of halogen. Direct combination of halogen on lower interhalogen compound. Lower interhalogen compound. For example, here is the preparation of the interhalogen compound. Here is the interhalogen compound can be prepared by the direct combination or combining or react or treating with the halogen or lower interhalogen compound. First halogen is the large atomic size, that is also known as a interhalogen can be prepared by the direct combination of halogen on the lower interhalogen compound. For example, here is the first one: chlorine reactor combining with the fluorine in the presence of 437 kelvins, then form of ClF. ClF, it is also known as a interhalogen compound. Here is the chlorine is the large atomic size, fluorine is the small atomic size. Here is the equal value, that is the 1 mole of chlorine, 1 mole of the chlorine. Here is the equal volume of the chlorine, that is also known as a interhalogen compound or binary compound, react each other at 437 kelvins, then form of X dash 1, that is the type of X dash 1, it is the ClF. Next remaining another one Cl2. Excess of chlorine. Here is the 1 mole of chlorine combining with the 3 mole of chlorines. 3 moles of the fluorine. That is also known as a excess of fluorine. Here is the 3 mole. Here is the 1 mole. That is also known as ClF3. It is also known as a, which type here is the XX-3. That is also known as a interhalogen compound. Next, remaining another one, fluorine react or combining with the ClF3. Which type here is the XX-3. Here is the halogen compound combining with the XX-3 to form of ClF5. Which type here is the XX-5. That is also known as a interhalogen. Next one, I2 combining with the chlorine to form of a ICl. 2 moles of ICl, that is also known as a interhalogen compound. Which type here is the XX-1. Next, another one, iodine react with the excess of chlorine, 3 moles of the chlorine, then form of ICl3. That is also known as a XX-3. XX-3, that is also known as a interhalogen compound. Next one, bromine react with the 5 moles of the fluorine to form of a BRF3. Which type here is the XX-3. That is also known as a interhalogen compound of XX-3. Next one, bromine reactor combining with the 5 moles of the fluorine to form of a BRF5. Here is the which type? That is also known as a XX-5. That is also known as a interhalogen compound. That is the, they can be assigned general composition like that: XX-1, XX-3, XX-5, XX-7. 2 binary compound of the halogen. 2 binary halogens combining each other or react each other, then form of the halogen compounds are formed. Halogen compounds are formed. That is also known as a XX-3, XX-5, XX-7. Those interhalogen compound can be prepared by the direct combination of the halogens at lower interhalogen compound, like that Cl2 combining with the fluorine at 437 kelvins to form of ClF. That is also known as a, that is the preparation of the XX- type, XX-5 type, XX-1, XX-3, XX-3, XX-5 types of the interhalogen compound can be prepared by these reactions. Remaining another one, structure of BRF3, explaining by the Vesper theory. Here is the Br is the central metal atom. Central metal atom is the bromine atom. In central atom, bromine can be existed 7 electrons. 7 electrons in valency cell. Here is the bromine is which group element? 7th A group elements. The 7th A group element general electron configuration NH2, NP5, ND0. In outermost cell consists 7 electrons. So here is the bromine. Outermost cell consists the 7 electrons in valency cell. 7 electrons in valency cell. In 3 fluorine atom bonding, bromine bonding with the 3 fluorine atom, 1, 2, 3. 3 fluorine atom bonded with the bromine, then leaving with the fluor electrons. That is also known as 1, 2, 3, 4. Leaving of 4 electrons. Here is the 3 is the bond pair electron, 1, 2, 3. 3 is the bond pair electron, 2 is the lone pair electrons. According to BRF3 structure is the trigonal bipyramidal structure. That is also known as a structure of BRF3. Which type here is the XX-3 type of interhalogen compound of bromine trifluoride. Structure that is explained by the Vesper theory. Vesper theory. In BRF3, bromine is the central atom. It has a 7 electrons in the outermost shell. Bromine is in 7th A group elements. That is, the outermost shell consists of only 7 electrons. 7 electrons in the valency shell. Here is the bromine bonding with the 3 fluorine atoms. 3 fluorine bonds leaving with the 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one, in BRF3 structure exists the 3 is the bond pair electron. 1, 2, 3. 3 is the bond pair electron. 2 is the lone pair electrons. Remaining, according to the BRF3 structure, it exists the trigonal bipyramidal structure. Trigonal bipyramidal structure. That is the structure of BRF3. It is the 7th A group chapter over. Thank you.